Hi, today I'm going to be showing you my knee treadmill that I ordered from Harvey Norman online. The brand, as you can see, is Everfit. I paid about $500 for it and $10 for postage. So let's get into it. So it's my first time ever of owning a treadmill. Hopefully this comes just straight off. That's what it's going to do. Okay. So that's all the instructions. Treadmill manual. There we go. Start. Alright, so there's a lot of this foam stuff. That's actually quite hard to get out.
Do you want to hear?
It's actually quite heavy, actually. Oh, I'll just get these little bits and pieces out. And it's actually more difficult than what I thought it would be. It looks like it's actually all connected already, yeah. I thought it might have been in pieces and stuff. That's obviously the cord. Yeah. What do you reckon? Like tip it or what?
Yeah, I think so.
It's pretty big. Oh, there's a bolt.
Don't lose that.
So what if I just like maybe tip it to its side?
Yep, hang on.
And then okay. So the actual unboxing is a little bit difficult. Alright. Sausage spicy. Alright.
Don't lose that little bolt.
Yeah, there's all the little bolts in here too. And
Let's forget this one.
Oh, yep. Move it on. Stove. Alright. So obviously we're going to end up breaking it before So we, I don't know, maybe we should have to do it, maybe we'll do it part 2, because I don't really know if there's anything else. So it would go that way, wouldn't it?
It should stand up.
Like that.
Yeah,
But I think we need to put,
the stays on it.
yeah. So it stays in.
Okay, so stay in there for a minute. Let's have a look.
And take this off.
Cup holders. Display.
That's obviously the start button, stop button, volumes, speeds, 3, 6, 9, up, down. And there's a USB plug there, AUX. So what we might have to do is actually put some more stuff together and then show you a second part when it's all complete. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.